Hello, it's me again, Dr. Daniel from Value Investing College. Alright, and I wanted to share with you a personal story. When I was a new investor, this was quite a number of years ago, I was very lost because some people would come up to me and tell me that they earned this amount in this week, and the next week they'll come and tell me they lost even bigger amount. So to me at that point in time when I was lost, right, it seemed like the share market was nothing more than a large gambling den. Alright, but ever since I started to learn how to do investing properly, I realized that actually the share market is not a gambling den, and there are ways that you can take to invest safely. Okay, the crux is safely. So the way we do it is we lower your risk. And how do we do it? There are three ways that we actually lower your risk. One is we buy good businesses. Okay, secondly, we want to buy these good businesses at fair prices. And thirdly, we want to learn how to portfolio diversify. Okay, so we're going to talk about how you can invest safely in the stock markets because you want to be able to sleep at night, okay, even though you're investing in the stock markets. So there's a wise saying that says that if you take care of the downside in terms of an investment, it only leaves the upside. Okay, so take care of your downside by investing safely. So I want to first start off with an explanation of what exactly the stock market is about, because there seems to be a lot of confusion as to what exactly is a stock or a share. Some people think there's numbers on the screen. Other people think that it's all about charts and patterns. And some people think that the stock market is all about brokers shouting buy and sell on the stock market grounds. But the real answer today I want to impress on you is that stock investing is really about doing business, because at the core of every stock or share is a business. Okay, always remember that. So when we want to invest safely, the first step that you have to do is you need to find a sound business to invest in. Personally, I like to look at companies with low debt. They are holding lots of cash. Why? Because this will allow a company to survive through tough times. So even if there's an economic recession, you don't have to fear, okay? You can sleep sound at night because such a company with sound financials is able to survive through such tough times, okay? And won't go bankrupt. Alright, the second thing is, after you find a good company, right, you must pay a good price for it, you know. The stock market is full of people who know the price of everything, but they don't know the value of anything. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that every single stock, okay, every single stock out there on the marketplace has a right price and value that's attached to it. And what you want to do to profit is that you want to buy the good ones at under valuation, that means at a bargain. Okay, because if you buy a good stock at a bargain, over time, okay, the stock market price will go back to the true valuation, and that's when you profit from it. Thirdly, okay, you want to portfolio diversify. So a lot of people think that they find a good opportunity in the stock market, then they put everything inside. Okay, it can be their entire family's fortune or something like that. I've seen it happen many times. But always remember that even the best investors like Warren Buffett, you know, they can be wrong from time to time. Okay, so even if you pick the right stocks, okay, there's also an element of uncertainty, right? Because we won't know what happens in the future. So always diversify. So what I like to recommend is at least hold 10 to 15 stocks in your portfolio. But at the same time, okay, you want to diversify but not diversify. Diversify means that you hold 100 over stocks, 200 over stocks that you cannot even track what's happening to them, and that's when you start to lose money as well. Okay, so hold about 10 to 15 stocks that are good companies that you are confident of. Alright, and now some of you may recall receiving an ebook when you registered for the workshop. It's called Gone Fishing with Buffett, and it's written by my contemporary Sean Seah. So make sure you read that book before coming because there's a lot of important insights in it. Okay, so I'm really excited to see you, and I'll see you there very soon at the workshop.